Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn SBC Media. Yorùbá ní ẹni tó fúnni lọ́mọ kò fẹ́ ká pàkúrò ni. I really appreciate this opportunity. The proverb for today, ìpàkọ́ onípàkọ́ làárí, ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ní bánirí tẹni. Ìpàkọ́ onípàkọ́ làárí, ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ní bánirí tẹni. It is so easy to see the back of the head of someone else, but someone will help you to see your own. This proverb is used to let people know that it is easier to see other people's faults, but your own fault you may not see it. So be careful when you are correcting someone, when you are hammering on their errors, because your own error too is evident to some other people. It's only that you are not seeing it. We all have our weak points. Ìpàkọ́ onípàkọ́ làárí, ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ní bánirí tẹni.